Hello, good morning. Welcome to Pentadis class, where students are valued and where students is important. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, may you please say, yes, I can hear you.
yes, I can hear you.
Can you see me?
Yes,
You will say, yes, I can see you.
yes, I can see you.
Okay, very good. So let me introduce myself first. I am Teach Josh from the Philippines. What is your name?
Julian,
You will say, I am Julian.
I am Julian.
Very good. Again.
I am Julian.
Okay, very good. So again, Julian, I will be your teacher in this Pantados class. Now, are you ready to learn?
Yes,
Okay, let's begin and dig more to our class. Now, can you read the word in the slide, Julian?
animal,
Oh, you will say animals.
animals,
Very good. Again,
animals,
very good. Now, can you name the animals that you see in the picture?
elephant,
Oh, where is the elephant there? Can you? Very good. That's the elephant. Again, what is the name of this animal?
elephant,
Very good. That is elephant. Now, can you name another animal in the picture?
giraffe,
Where is the giraffe? Very good. That is a
giraffe,
very good. That is a giraffe. Now, can you name another animal?
cat,
Oh, that's not a cat, Julian, but it is a tiger. Can you please say it?
tiger,
Very good. Another one, can you say it?
tiger,
Very good. That is a tiger. These animals are from the wildlife. You can see these animals in the wild. Okay, now let's proceed to our another slide. Now, this will be the things that we will be learning today. Can you read the words, Julian?
vocabulary,
Oh, that is vocabulary. Another, Julian, may you please say it?
vocabulary,
It's a vocabulary.
vocabulary,
Okay. Another one, you will say vocabulary.
vocabulary,
Oh, let's proceed to another word. This is grammar.
grammar,
Grammar.
grammar,
Listening.
listening,
Listening.
listening,
Reading.
reading,
Speaking.
speaking,
Can you read again? the words that is given in the picture, Miss Julianne?
Yes. Vocabulary.
Yes, we have.
Grammar.
Very good. We have.
Listening.
Very good.
Reading.
Very good.
Speaking.
Very good. A job well done, Julianne. Now, let's proceed to our another slide in order for us to learn more the lesson today. Okay. Our lesson today will start in vocabulary. Okay, you will please say it with me. Vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
Very good. Now, do you know what is this animal, Julianne?
Giraffe.
Are you sure that is a giraffe?
Yes.
Yes, I am sure. You will say that one. Yes, I am sure.
Yes, I am sure.
Okay, let us see if it is a giraffe. Congratulations, that is a giraffe. Now, can you name this type of animal, Julianne?
A pig.
Oh, that's not a pig. Another one, can you guess?
Ah. Mm,
That is a. Do you know what is this?
no.
Okay, that is hippo. Hippo. Okay, will you say it? Hippo.
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 Very good. Can you name this animal, Julianne?
Crocodile.
A crocodile. Very good. That is a crocodile. Again, may you please name the animals and read their names, Julianne? Can you read that one?
Giraffe.
Very good. We have giraffe.
Hippo.
Very good. And hippo. Next one we have.
Crocodile.
Very good. A crocodile. Congratulations, Julian. A job well done. Now let's proceed to our next slide. Okay. Now here, Julian, you will match the word with the correct picture. Again, you will match the words with the correct pictures. Can you see the given pictures, Julianne?
Yes.
Very good. Now, you will match those pictures here in the given names. Can you can you guess it? Can you match it?
Yes.
Okay, I will give you time to do it, Julianne. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. Start now answering this lie, Julianne.
Okay.
Are you done answering?
Yes.
Okay, you will say, yes, I'm done answering. Can you please say it with me? Yes, I
Yes. I
am
am done
done answering.
answering.
Very good. Now let us check if your answers are correct. If you match the words to the correct picture. Now, What type of animal is this, Julian? This is, according to your answer,
Crocodile.
it is a crocodile. Very good. It is a crocodile. Congratulations. Now, how about this one? This given picture. You answer this one as
Uh, this one.
you answer this one as
Giraffe.
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 Yes, very good. You have a correct answer. This one is called, you answer this one as an hippo, and congratulations, you got three in this slide, and you are perfect answering this slide. Congratulations, a job well done. Now, let's proceed to our next slide. We will be dealing with now grammar. Okay, may you please, Julian, say it with me. Grammar,
Grammar.
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 Very good. Are you ready with this slide, Julian? The grammar.
Yes.
Okay, you will say again, Julian. Yes, I am ready.
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, let's proceed. Now, here, Julian, there are examples given. Okay, first, what color is it? May you please read this one?
What color is it?
Very good. Another one.
It is. I- What color it is it?
It is.
Is
What?
it?
Okay. What
What
color
color
is
is
it?
it?
What color is it?
What color is it?
Very good. Now, next one. It is
It is
color,
color,
or this
or this
is
is
color.
color.
Okay. Now let us check your grammar, Julian. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Let's proceed, Julian. Okay. Now the question. What color is it?
Green.
Okay. Yes, it is color green, but you will say it is
It
color
is.
green.
It is color green.
Very good. Or you will say this one. This crocodile
This crocodile
is color green.
is color green.
Very good. Again, what color is it?
Green.
You will say it is color green.
It is color green.
Very good. So it is green and yellow.
This is green and yellow.
Okay, you can answer this one. It is green and yellow.
It is green and yellow.
Or you will say, this crocodile is green and yellow.
This crocodile is green and yellow.
Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to another slide. Okay, do you know what is this? What animal is this?
A rat.
A rat? Oh, that's not a rat. It is a hippo.
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 Very very good. It is a hippo. Now, what color are they?
Mm, purple.
Purple? Yes, they are purple. Or these hippos are purple.
Purple.
Very good. Now, let's proceed to another. Okay, now, Julian, you will be having your fill in the blanks here. Okay, now you will put the answer in the given space below. Okay, can you put it? I will put some heart where you will answer. Okay, okay,
Okay.
you will put your answer here. Okay, oh, wait for a while. Okay, now may you please put your answer, Julianne?
Okay. Is it
Julianne, are you having a hard time answering the questions?
yes?
You can use this one, okay, you can use the text in order for you to put easily your answer if you want, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Are you done, Julianne?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now let's see if your answers are correct, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let us proceed. Okay, so your answer is it. Okay, what color is?
It.
Very good. You have a correct answer. Now, excuse me, how about here? It's hippo. Are you
Hippo.
sure? Are you sure that this will be the answer? Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, you will say, yes, I am excited.
Yes, I am excited.
Okay, very good. Now, let us check if it's correct. Okay, again, you will write the color, Julianne. So it is yes, it is a hippo, but what color is it?
Black.
Okay, very good. It is a black. Okay, congratulations. Now let's proceed. Now, okay, what color? Okay, you will put here the answer and your color here, okay? Is it okay, Julian?
Okay.
Okay, now Okay, I will give you time to answer, Julian. Okay, are you done, Julian, answering?
Yes.
Okay, let us check if your answers are correct. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, you will say, yes, it is okay.
Yes, it is okay.
Okay, very good. Now let's start checking your answers. Now, what color are they? Okay, not is this, but are they? Okay, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, again, what color are they?
What color are they?
Very good. Now, let's proceed to your next answer. Okay, they are blue. Very good. A job well done, Julian. Okay, you will read this one, please. They.
They are blue.
Very good. They are blue. Congratulations, Julian, for answering this slide. Now, let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, we will be doing a listening. Can you read this word
Listening.
again?
Listening.
Listening. Very good. Listening. Are you excited in this part, Julian?
Yes.
Now let's proceed to the slides. Okay. Now, okay, can you please read?
Listen and write. There is one example.
Okay, there will be an example here. Then you will listen. Okay, after that one, you will answer this given space here below. Okay, is it okay?
Okay.
Can you click the audio there? Can you see that audio?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay. May you please click that one, then listen to the audio. Okay, I will give you time, Julian. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. So will you please start now?
I cannot hear anything.
You cannot hear anything, Julian?
Yes.
Oh, wait for a while. Why you cannot hear this? Wait for a while, or we will share this audio. Sharing. Are you sure that you cannot hear the audio, Julian? Julian?
Can we play it again?
Okay, may you please listen, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, did you hear that one, Julian?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you can answer the slides out the space given here below. You will put your answer there and I will give you time. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. You may please start answering now.
Okay.
Okay, so are you done answering? Now let us check if your answers are correct. Is it okay? Is it okay, Julianne, to check your answers?
Okay.
Okay, now let us
Yes.
check your answers. Now, very good. What is the name of the zoo? The name of the zoo is the
Hill.
Hill. Very good. The name of the zoo is Hill. Now, let's proceed. Numbers of different kinds of animals. How many numbers? Okay. What are the numbers? It is 80.
89.
Very good. 89. Another one we have also a.
Parrot.
Okay, can you give food to the parrot? Can you
Mm.
give food to the parrot?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, let's check. You got a perfect score, Julian. Congratulations. You know how to do the nice clap, Julian?
No.
No, you don't know. Now let's have a nice clap, Juliet. Nice, in nice, 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 nice. Okay. Sige. Let's let's have a nice clap, Julian. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's have a nice clap. Nice,
Nice. Nice.
nice, nice,
Nice. Nice.
nice. Okay, very good, Julianne. Now let's proceed to the next slide. Can you read the word, Julianne?
Reading.
Reading again. It is
Reading.
very good. It is reading. Now let's proceed to the other slide. Now, here there is a given text there. So look at the picture and read the story. Write some words to complete the sentence about the story. You can use one, two, or three words. Okay. Now you will read this text, Julian. We will read this one, then we will answer here. Okay, after we read this one. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's read. Okay, again. Vicky
Vicky
lives
lives
as
with her
parent.
parents and her two brothers,
Okay,
Sam and Paul, in the city. Last week, they had a holiday by the sea.
very good.
Sam is 10, Vicky is 8, but Paul is only 5.
Very good.
They went to the cinema on Wednesday because it rained all day.
Very good.
They saw a film about sharks. The sharks had very big teeth.
Okay.
Paul, Paul didn't like watching them and he closed his eyes.
Okay, very good. You're a good reader, Julian. Now, let's answer the given questions below. Is it okay, Julian?
Okay.
Okay, all the answer in this uh, questions, you will see it here in the text you read earlier. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I will give you time to answer, Julian. Take your time.
Wow. Okay.
So, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, let us check if your answers are correct. Okay, is it okay, Julian?
Yes.
Very good. Now let's check your answers. Okay. Oh, it rained all day on Wednesday. To the family went to the cinema. So the answer is
Rain.
rained. Okay, so you just put ED there in order for you to have a correct answer. Okay, but it is okay. Next one we have, okay, let's check. Okay, Paul didn't enjoy seeing the sharks. The sharks fit in the film. Okay, but again, you have a answer shark there. Okay, but a job well done. Okay, again and again, congratulations, Julian.
Thank you.
Now let's proceed to another slide. Okay, we will be dealing with. Okay, may you please read it, Julian?
Speaking.
Speaking, very good. Speaking. Now, are you excited in speaking, Julian?
Yes.
Now, let's proceed to this slide. Okay, okay. What animal is it?
Giraffe.
Very good. That is a,
Giraffe.
you will say, it is a giraffe.
It is a giraffe.
Very good. Now, what color is it?
Yellow.
Okay, you will say it is color yellow,
It is color yellow.
or the giraffe is color yellow.
The giraffe is color yellow.
Very good. Do you like drawing animals, Julian?
Yes.
You will say, yes, I like to draw animals.
Yes, I like to draw an animals.
Very good. Now, what animal that you like to draw? Which animals can you draw? Okay.
A giraffe.
You want to draw this giraffe?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, what's your favorite wild animals? When you say wild animals, those are in the jungle. Okay? Okay, what is your favorite wild animal, Julian?
Uh, Tiger.
You like tiger? Why do you want tiger, Julian?
Because they are so fast.
They are so fast. Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed to our next slide. Okay, congratulations, Julian. See you next time, and thank you for choosing Pintados class. Now, this will be the end of our discussion, and congratulations. You are doing so well in our discussion. Hopefully that you will choose again Pintados and see you, Erev. Congratulations.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, Julian. Now you can leave.
Thank you.
Very good. Now